Welcome, subscribers, to Lu English Dictionary. I'm Tony.
And I am Agina.
Today, we're learning counting.
So today we're learning about counting. We want to count 1 through 10, 10 through 20, 20 through 100. We shall learn about the tricks of how to count.
If you've seen our shorts, then you should skip to a certain part in the description so that you see some numbers that aren't in the shorts.
Good. Achiel, 1.
Atil.
Achiel.
Achiel.
Ario,
Ario.
2. Adek, 3.
Adek.
3.
Adek.
Angwen.
4.
Say angwen.
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 Abich.
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 Auchiel.
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 Abirio.
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 Aboro.
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 Ochiko.
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 Apar.
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 Let's start afresh. Achiel.
Achiel.
Ario.
Ario.
Adek.
Adek.
Angwen.
Angwen.
Abich.
Abich.
Auchiel.
Auchiel.
Abirio.
Abirio.
Aboro.
Aboro.
Ochiko.
Ochiko.
Apar.
Apar.
Can you say gi?
Gi.
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 Gi means and. Gi. Okay? And in Luo, when you want to say 11, you say 10 and 1.
10. So
You remember we already had 10.
apar gi achiel.
Yes. So 10 and 1 becomes apar gi achiel. 10 and 2,
Apar gi ario.
10 and 3,
Apar gi adek.
10 and 4,
Apar gi angwen.
10 and 5,
Apar gi abich.
10 and 6,
Apar gi auchiel.
10 and 7,
Apar gi abirio.
10 and 8,
Apar gi aboro.
10 and 9.
Apar gi ochiko.
Now 20 will be 2 tens. So it will be
Apar gi apar.
apar ario.
Oh.
2 tens. Apar ario.
Apar ario.
Okay?
Without the gi.
Yes, without the gi. Gi means and, but when you say 2 tens, you just say 10, 2 tens. Apar ario.
In English, you'd say 11.
No, you'd say 20. Like
Oh,
20,
yeah, sorry.
20 would be apar ario. So 2 tens. So if you have 3 tens, that is 30, you'd say,
Apar gi apar.
no, you don't say gi.
I mean, apar adek.
Yes, apar adek. So that is 30. Then if you have 4 tens, what do you say?
Apar angwen.
Apar angwen. But you also can say apar. Instead of saying apar ario, you can say Piero.
Piero.
The word Piero replaces 2 tens
two
or
tens.
the multiples of 10. So Piero ario means 20.
20.
Piero adek means
30.
Piero angwen.
40.
Piero abich.
50.
Piero auchiel.
60.
Piero abirio.
70.
Piero aboro.
80.
Piero ochiko.
90.
Now when you get to 100, remember you cannot say Piero apar, but you can say Piero apar achiel.
Piero apar achiel.
Piero apar achiel.
Piero, apar, achiel.
That is 100. Okay, that means 10 tens and one bundle of 10 tens. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the numbers 57. If you want to talk about 57, you see 57 can be 50 and 7. And 50 was Piero
a beach.
and 7. Remember, and means
Piero a beach gi
7 was?
abirio.
Yes, so can you say that again?
Piero a beach gi
Say that again.
Piero a beach gi abirio.
Piero a beach gi abirio.
Piero a beach gi abirio.
Let's say you want 99. So what will that be?
Piero o chico gi o chico.
Yes, Piero o chico gi o chico. Let's say you want 62. What will that be?
Piero auchiel gi ario.
Piero auchiel gi ario. Let's say you want 18.
18.
Yes. Remember, 18 will be 10 and...
Apar gi aboro.
Yes, apar gi aboro.
Apar gi aboro.
That's 18. What if you want 21?
21. Piero ario achiel.
Gi.
Piero ario gi achiel.
Piero ario gi achiel.
Piero ario gi achiel.
Good. There's another way of counting where you say first, second, third, fourth. Okay? So in that type of counting, we shall say, first, you say ma okwongo.
Ma okwongo.
Ma okwongo.
Ma okwongo.
Second, we say mar ario.
Mar ario.
Third, you say mar adek.
Mar adek.
What does fourth become? Fourth becomes?
Mar angwen.
And fifth becomes?
Mar abich.
Sixth?
Mar auchiel.
Seventh become?
Mar abirio.
Eighth become?
Mar aboro.
Ninth become? Mar?
Mar ochico.
10th become?
Mar apar.
Good. When you're talking about nominal counting, you'll say ma okwongo. And then the rest of it, you just say mar ario, mar adek, mar angwen, mar abich, okay? Good. So let's finish up by Tony counting 1 through 10, and then that will be the end of the video.
Achiel. 1. Ario. 2. Adek. 3. Angwen. 4. Abich. 5. Auchiel. 6. Abirio. 7. Aboro. 8. Ochico. 9. Apar. 10.
Good. We have come to the end of the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. How did we do? If you want to give us some feedback, you can always comment down there. And
we probably may have stopped doing spoilers in our other videos. But anyways, Oriti, goodbye.
goodbye.